Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS Academic Book 15, Test 3, the Writing Task 1. The diagram below shows how instant noodles are manufactured. Now this task can be written in 5 paras. In the introduction, describe the task. In feature para 1, report the first few stages of noodle making. In feature para 2, report the next few stages. In feature para 3, report the last few stages. And in the overview, summarize the task. The following slides will show how this task can be written. Now in the introduction, describe the task. A diagram illustrates the stage-wise manufacturing process of machine-made instant noodles. In feature para 1, report the first few stages of noodle making. In the first stage, bulk flour from a truck is transferred to silos for storage. Thereafter, in the second stage, this flour is mixed with oil and water in a mixer to form dough. This dough is then pressed through a series of rollers to form dough sheets. This is the third stage. Now in feature para 2, report the next few stages. In the fourth stage, the dough sheets are cut into strips, and then in the fifth stage, they are formed into discs. The sixth stage involves the oil cooking and drying of these discs. In feature para 3, report the next few stages. In the seventh stage, the cooked and dried discs are placed into cups along with vegetables and spices. And finally, in the eighth stage, these filled cups are labeled and sealed. Now in the overview, summarize the task. Overall, in the production of instant noodles, there are 8 stages involved, from the storage of the flour to the labeling and sealing of the final cups.